You don't have the still assessment? No still assessment will happen? No still study? Then
It's not like they're from it's progressive it is proven, right? See,
yeah, progressive pattern.
Yeah, progressive. It is more dangerous than.
more dangerous, yeah.
Yeah, that's why you are running.
No, I'm not running. Now there are 2 points. You said that in all PD pump there is an internal PRV.
No, this is a different type of pump. That is a diaphragm pump. This is a progressive gravity pump.
So there is no internal PRV?
No. That is.
So you want to consider PSV here?
So the supplier, they will not be able to hold the supply. So we should be able to at least see the actual supply from them or the requirements of what they have supplied to them, like the drawings, the plain IDs. If we import something, then it will take look.
That's why I'm asking him. There is a if it is screw pump supplied by the vendor, they know they will put it.
Correct.
And because this is not the same drawing which they consider from the vendor.
And for
You'll find
the distribution, we always have some
matching.
PSV that.
So in this case, in this case, if we do not have the information, we can take a recommendation.
So PRV does mean.
Review. I say review and provide.
the screw pumps to the
Program.
progressivity. Our pump progressivity. I'm sorry, for the translation.
Also, I'll pick up the tank of filling station and the bomb center fire pumps. Fire pumps.
No, that will review. Yeah, firefighting and all this, and diesel also. Your lit oil.
Diesel is there? So we can review it. Yeah, we can review. Yeah. Yeah. I don't have any problem. Yeah.
These books, those in on TV, no? It's another phone.